to another video, and today we are playing Murder Mystery, and I am Innocent. Joy, who are you?
Innocent.
And hope you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
And
also, if you haven't, so sorry for not doing a video in such a long time, but new updates, we have changed our skin. So, yay!
I is party help.
And I'm a fairy.
So guys, can you know that explain the Gacha stuff?
She's choosing after me. Okay, she's going for someone else.
Okay, Mia, can you explain the Gacha stuff now?
Oh, if you guys haven't seen our 2 new Gacha videos, Maya actually told me that she was getting really tired of doing Gacha videos because they're really tiring. Trust me, they are. So we have made an agreement that I will be doing screenshots and all the Gacha characters, and Maya will be doing all of the editing and making it into a video.
Yep, and guys, if you really want to add so much effort to your videos and have easy recording, please install KineMaster. If you do not know how to use KineMaster, I'll make a tutorial video.
Yeah, that would actually be pretty cool.
And guys, if you want to see me do Gacha, I have another channel called Female Penguin. I'll link it in the description.
Yep.
I won't be posting.
Oh, and Maya, did you see the comment that I commented? Oh, by the way, I'm a murderer.
Oh no, I'm innocent. Don't kill me.
I'm coming for you. Don't worry, we're teaming up.
Don't let anyone know.
Stand down.
Don't let our subscribers know that we're teaming.
Hey.
Ooh, you killed the seer girl.
Come here.
Come here. You know you could throw your knife.
Yeah.
He butt landed. Farted. Who up there? Oh, don't kill me. Wait, you have the perk?
Yep.
Oh my god, yes.
Bought it. Off camera, I bought it, yeah.
Let's go, let's trick people.
Oh, this girl.
Let's trick her.
I see you over there. I know you're running from me. Now you're scared. You must be terrified right now. Did I scare you?
Yeah. Kill that girl. I see that girl. I see a girl. Yo! I saw a girl that she ran up outside. She's right there. Get her. She's right here. Get her now. She's lagging. She's lagging hard. No!
Sorry. You were right in front of me. What do you expect?
Someone is going to a dark room.
I know exactly where that room is.
Okay, so she's going next to the dead bodies where you killed that unicorn guy. Hee.
Oh, I see another person. Boom. Oh, he was the sheriff.
Oh, too bad you killed me. Okay, this girl is in the main room going to the entrance. She's about to go outside. She's at my dead body. She's outside. Okay. She's going back inside downstairs. ASAP. She is near the dark room. Bunch of coins. She got the sheriff's gun. Chop, she has the gun now. She's near the main lobby. You currently found her. Attack her. Throw your Throw your knife.
Ah!
Throw your knife.
Ah! Come over here. Hey, I'll see you. I'll see you. Why are you running? You scared? Scared?
This has been a long
You
round.
scared of me? Come here. Oh, you almost got her.
I know.
No. Oh, I almost killed everybody. Man, come on. She's so fast. Does she have a perk or something?
Let me check her inventory.
Wait, you could do that?
Yeah.
Oh,
She has Ghost, she has Footstep, and Haste. Yes, she's super fast, but that will only be for murder. Yeah, you can. You just have to click on her username and press profile. And then you'll see her inventory. Let me see your inventory. Oh, you got fake
Joy,
gun.
can I show you something really cool?
Yeah? Coming.
I know a secret.
You know a secret? You know, oh, you're gonna try to show our subscribers?
I'll show you next round. Who are you?
Innocent.
I'm innocent.
Sorry guys if this is getting very boring because I'm super tired right now.
Maya, I'm the murderer, so let's...
I don't believe you. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh my god, help me. She's following me. The murderer's following me. Mia, help me. Help me now. She's... No! She's near the gun. Let me get a gun. I'm gonna get the gun. I got the gun.
Really?
Yeah.
Kill her!
Go! Yes! Rank up 30! Woo!
Your first shoot!
No, it's not my first shoot, you idiot. It's like my fourth shoot. This girl thick legs. Yo, she...
1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
If you get a bad knife, can I have it?
Huh?
If you get something bad, can I have it?
No, I'm saving up for perk.
Oh, man. I really want a perk, to be honest.
You just gotta save up.
Well, I can't save up. Wait, no, get a pet.
No, because when you're trying to hide from the murderer, they give away your spots.
What do you mean?
They always give away your spots when you're like trying to hide.
Yeah, but you could just hide them. Like, not like you could unequip them.
I don't really like the pets, they're so basic.
And plus, innocent, and plus the pets, guys, this is a little bit of advice. If you get like a legendary pet that will be in the future, the creator of Murder Mystery in Twitter, he said that once you get a legendary pet in the future, those pets will help you gain coins and get your chances up to get to be murderer or sheriff. But right now that's not available. Meh.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, I just died! Why am I so bad at this game? Bad life.
You're good.
Murder. I
I'm
meant
just the first one to die. Don't worry.
don't I look amazing?
Don't I look better?
Your face makes me laugh. Wait, stand right in front of me.
Everybody has this face. Well, your hat makes me laugh. Secret, look at the secret.
I think most of our subscribers know the secret.
Follow me. Whoa.
Slide in. Woo!
Oh, secret room.
I'm gonna do a glitch. I did a glitch. Yeah, I did a glitch.
Which glitch?
Now I'm gonna reset the game. I think I resetted the game. Now there will...
Comment down below what video we should do next.
Guys, I did the glitch. Now there is no murder because I was the murderer and I reset it. Now this game will go on forever. I have glitched the game.
Really?
Yep, I was murderer.
How?
I glitched the game.
Can I do it? Can you show me how to do it?
So when your screen goes black, when your screen goes black, when the round is about to start, you have to reset your character really quick, but you won't have a chance to be murderer because you died.
Oh, and then it'll make the round
Super short, and the sheriff will be like, oh, the murderer is the hacker. I'm leaving this game.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, reset. Oh, I didn't do it.
I'm sheriff.
Where
Sheriff.
you at?
Sheriff. No, I'm not telling me. I'm not telling you because you're murderer.
Oh, I see you.
No, you're murderer. Mia, I do not trust you. I'm gonna shoot you now.
Fine,
Mia,
then you'll die.
Mia, why are you jumping? Like you're murderer? Excuse me, Mia? Mia, excuse me?
Come here! Come here now! Told you! You could have died.
Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! Scared! Help me, Mia! I'm about to die! No, I died!
Where's your gun? Where's the gun?
I don't know.
Tell me.
I do not know. Why am I cheering?
Hey, but Joy, can you please spectate? Tell me where's the gun?
Well, the video is about to end in 3 minutes. Wah, wah, wah.
Don't worry, we'll make lots more.
Well, it's kind of good that the video is about to end because my laptop's charge is about to die, guys. Wah, wah, wah. Someone got my gun.
Really?
But
Give me the gun!
shoot him! He killed you. Should we, guys? We should do our outro.
Yeah. But don't worry, we'll make lots more.
Guys, please subscribe. Yeah, but guys, please subscribe to Female Penguin Gacha.
Yep. Anyway, guys, hope you guys really liked the video. Sorry if we haven't made more. We'll definitely make more. And, yeah. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and enjoy our videos. Bye!
Bye!